I'm priming my eyes using Kat Von D Eyeshadow Primer and evenly distributing it on the lids with my finger. Then cleaning up the brows with a little concealer and adding a small amount to the lids as well. With my Beautycounter's Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, I'm using the lightest shade to apply all over the lids to set the concealer and adding the next warm shade as my transition shade. I'm then using the Natasha Denona Holiday 2 palette, and I'm using this beautiful orange-red shadow to my crease and the outer V. I'm adding a brighter red also from Natasha Denona, and this is the Sunset palette, and this I'm adding to the outer V and or outer corner of the lids. And I'm also using a dark brown to the outer corners, also from the Sunset palette, which I forgot to show on the video. With my finger, I'm applying Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal top coat in Nude on the lids. And with a blending brush, just wiping off any excess. I'm going back in on the Holiday 2 palette and mixing the two shimmer colors for inner corner highlight. Taking the red shimmer to blend with that top coat I applied and the matte shadows for a super blended effect on the lid. After wiping off fallouts underneath my eyes, I'm adding Tarte CC Under Eye Corrector in medium tan, then priming my face with the NYX Professional Makeup Primer Spray before I go ahead and mix my Jane Iredale BB Cream with this Blemish Balm from Schrammek. To apply this, I'm using my Linda Hallberg makeup sponge. It gives a nice light feel coverage so it doesn't get too heavy, since I'm going to do a little bit more out of my highlight and contouring. I'm using the contour side of my NYX Wonder Stick to draw the lines on where I want to apply my contour and blending it in with the sponge. For highlight, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral, and you gotta work pretty fast with this as it sets quickly, and I'm again using the sponge to blend it out. Setting the concealer with Smashbox Halo Hydrating Powder in light. I'm not going too crazy with it, just a very light application. And then I'm just gonna finish off the under eye makeup using the colors from the Sunset palette with a shader brush. For highlight, I'm applying SUVA Beauty Liquid Chrome Highlighter in Trust Fund with a sponge, and this highlighter gives a very beautiful, natural, glowy skin. I decided to use the AB8 Radiant Blush Kit, and I'm using the shade Coastline just to apply on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm just blotting away excess product on the skin with a napkin. I like doing this so I don't end up with too much creasing. I'm adding Rogue & Rogue Last Style Alpha Girl off camera and going in with Dose of Colors DesixKaty lipstick in No Shade on the lips, and with my finger just softening off the edges for a more natural finish. Adding Dewy Setting Spray from NYX Professional Makeup, and that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this look, and thank you so much for watching. Until then, see you next time.